So, this is expanded carrier screening for CarrierSeq. It's typically more than 100 severe Mendelian diseases that you look at in a single assay. So this is a fairly large API-seq panel. One of the challenges is, perceptions, as well, customer perceptions. I think there's a low perceived risk of some of these disorders. I think, all humans are poor at determining risk, but in totality, although these are mostly rare recessive or X-linked diseases that we're screening, they are in totality quite frequent, and so that's one of the challenges to overcome is the customer perception of risk. Another is there's the very severe, profound diseases that we are on the panel, but with the expanded, there's a long tail of what are serious diseases that you have to sort of draw. There's no good guidance on when to draw the line and stop adding these diseases and the genes to your panel. So from a product development point of view, that was a challenge. And then this is a sequencing panel, and we're doing full coding region coverage of each gene, and so you have the potential to identify a lot of variants, and many of them will be of unknown significance. And so this is a challenge informatically to both both the product and to the customers, how to deal with the number of variants that will come off a panel of this size. From a product point of view, another challenge for expanded carrier screening is that new disease gene associations are coming all the time from research. So this is revving the product and adapting the panel to these new genes and targets and diseases is also will be a challenge.